Throughout Amarillo and surrounding areas, there are several organizations helping people resettle and immigrate to the United States. Immigration attorney Elizabeth Oliveros shared the immigration process looks different for everyone and can be complicated, but there are resources available. That's part of our Democracy 2025 coverage tonight.
No such thing as an easy immigration case, unfortunately. There's some people here that have options that they just haven't had the time or the money to go through with, that are now a little more motivated to get started.
Oliveros shared that sometimes people are struggling financially to go through the immigration process, but there are local resources available.
Immigration attorneys are some of the people willing to help. Not always the cheapest option, but there's always government programs and different groups and charities that are willing to do it for no money to very little money. I believe there's an immigration center for the Nazarene Church that helps them, I believe, for low cost.
Oliveros shared that there is some fear about the future for those going through the immigration process, but says regardless of your status, you have rights.
It's important. They have the right to remain silent. They don't have to talk to ICE. If they're home and ICE comes knocking on the door, they don't have to answer. They don't have to open the door unless they have a judicial warrant, not an immigration warrant, an actual state, federal warrant. And that even if they're out in public and ICE approaches them, they don't have to talk to them.
Oliveros adds it's important to know that not talking doesn't mean that they can't or won't be detained.
It doesn't stop them from being detained, but they can say that they're not going to talk to ICE until they talk to an attorney if they feel like it. And they do have due process rights. So they have a right to go before an immigration judge.
Oliveros says she wants people going through the immigration process to know that they aren't alone and that it's important to keep living your life because being scared isn't going to change what is happening.